medical people and the iron lung. Saved this woman off of New London, Connecticut, which is an American base for ships.
What was that place called?
New London, Connecticut.
Not New London, near, no, it's Connecticut.
New London, Connecticut was the naval base. That after we delivered the iron lung, I recall that, and everybody was sick, and I got my 1 week leave once we got in there and did our job. And I went, I had the phone number of this relative, somebody that had come to me in New York. And I got a 1 week leave, and I got on shore, on land, at this naval base, and I said, I'll never go back to sea again. And so half the crew, and our crew was about 100 men, we were all seasick. Everybody was seasick. The captain was seasick. Everybody was seasick. And this is just after the war. The war was...
How was your memory?